Hello everyone, it's been a while since we've been on the channel doing anything like a car talk or anything like that, so that's what we're going to be doing today. We are doing, well, it's more of an update than anything else, I suppose. But yeah, I say updates. I mean, because you may have noticed if you follow us, especially if you follow our car talks, we've been quite quiet on that front. It wasn't even the end of a season, really. I think we got 8 videos in or something like that. I'll have to double check. Because we usually do roughly about 10 episodes per season. I know it's not one of our more popular videos. Usually don't average massively high views, but like we enjoy doing them. We love talking about cars, and it's stuff we'd probably be talking about normally anyway if you're new to this. Yeah, so we may as well film it, try and get you guys involved a bit as well, because we love hearing your comments. We love seeing what you think about what we're talking about. So yeah, we'd love you guys carry on getting involved with it. But yeah, just wanted a bit of an update to say we haven't stopped doing it, have we? It's just so much. Well, we haven't stopped. We haven't stopped because we haven't wanted to do them. It's just been logistical. Yeah. You've had a lot of stuff going on. I've had a lot of stuff going on, personal stuff and not bad stuff. Just made us busy, really.
Yeah, life.
Yeah, that's it. I mean, the channel has fallen behind a bit, I have to admit, recently because I mean, if you've been following our channel, you've seen a video with an announcement where I said about when I started my own business. So I've been doing that for quite a few months, and that has taken up pretty much any free time I even dreamed about having. And I mean, don't get me wrong, it's been absolutely brilliant, and of course it's to do with cars, being a mechanic and everything like that. It's actually, I'm mobile and I work for myself now, which is fantastic. But it's, yeah, like I said, it's taken a lot of my time away from the channel up until recently, when I've actually started, the weather's getting a bit rubbish and things like that, so I've had a bit more time to start editing to put through for our next content. Yeah, I mean, as for the future, there's going to be more videos on Morgs and Mondeo. We just finished filming some for today.
Yeah.
There's going to be more videos of the Chevy as well. My Chevy Astro. I think that's only been featured in one video. It's been in a few because it's the car I take the car shows, or the van I take the car shows. But it's that one. There's a couple of how-to videos coming up on that one, which will hopefully help some of you out, especially our fans in the UK as well, because it might help. There's like a few sort of bits of advice I try and give you about where you can get parts, what the metric sizes are for certain things, which are probably AF or non-metric, but the American style of that. There's also talking about the fleets and stuff like that. There's some more Peugeot partner stuff coming up. I've got Renault traffic I'm still trying to put on the road. I haven't filmed any of that, but I have got a few more jobs left to do on it, and I will try and film them rather than sort of not. Then also there might be a Vectra video or two left, but yeah, but I was going back to the fleet thing. The Vectra is now gone, unfortunately. It was one of those things where it was a great car when it was working, but it kind of got to the age where things were starting to let it down, and it was getting to the stage where I needed to sort of start spending either a lot of money on it or look at getting something else. So we sold it, and we still haven't got anything else yet. So my wife's daily is my truck. There'll be more videos coming up on that. I need to do fuel tank before long, and I need to do more servicing on it. And there will be, yeah, that's her daily. My daily is the Chevy at the minute. So but yeah, like I said, I mean, fleet wise, there should be a lot more videos coming out of the stuff, which is good. And there is videos that I filmed a long time ago which are still waiting to be edited and put up. Loads of car show videos from this year which are going to be coming out very soon. Yeah, some of the car show videos are just sort of more slideshows than anything else.
Yeah.
But I enjoy going to them. Sometimes I don't feel like filming, sometimes I do. If I don't film, I take photos. But if I do, I'll just put it up as a bit of a slideshow for you guys so you can see what you've seen and enjoy, especially if you're a car enthusiast. Which is quite good. I still love going to the car shows. Yeah, I just wanted to reach out to you, all of you, our fans, see if you've got any questions for us, anything you'd like to say, anything you'd like to ask for as well. I know somebody else has also asked recently for me to show them or to do videos on some more of the Outlander. That's not actually in our fleet, but it is in the family. So that one will be coming back on the channel for more stuff. To be honest, the only reason it hasn't done recently is because all I've done recently is an oil change service, and there's already a video for that on there. But there will be more stuff on that one coming through. It's still within my grasp, and the owners don't mind me filming that one, so it's absolutely fine. There might be a video. I've been filming days out on the van on my own working, so there might be a video about that coming up. But I don't know. It depends how boring it is when I put it together and I go back through to edit it. Because obviously, because of data protection and because it's a business and there's people out there that own these vehicles, I can't just go filming them willy-nilly. I've got to get permissions and things like that. And to be honest, I've not really been asking a lot of people, because the other problem we just talked about off camera is filming fixing cars makes the job last so much longer, doesn't it?
Yeah, unless you've got somebody there who can be a cameraman, it's something twice as long, doesn't it?
That's it. When you're there being the cameraman, for me, it's not much more. But when I'm on my own and I have to decide where the camera's got to go, what I want to show you, I forget things, so I have to go back. I have to add in bits of information and show extra bits that I would normally not even have to think about to carry on and blitz through. Most jobs fixing cars, like if it's a half an hour job, filming it takes it to an hour. If it's a 2-hour job, you probably have another hour on it. And it's most jobs you can add an hour to just for filming. So it's not very lucrative for the business to be filming it like that without having a cameraman there. Yeah. So I mean, it's something I may look into in the future, but don't know. The other, talking about that side of it as well, is if you need advice on certain things, the things I've done to the cars without filming them, and I mean the biggest one which I regret, because I didn't even think about the channel, was my cam belt. I did a timing belt change on the Shogun Sport V6. I'm sorry I didn't do a how-to video on that, but it was one of those things that I needed that truck back on the road ASAP, and I didn't have time to film it. But I have done one, so if you've got any questions about that, then by all means reach out to us. I help you out as much as I can. I've also done repairs like my work van power steering pump, again, because it's a work van. I needed it on the road the next day, otherwise I wasn't going to make any money, so I fixed it quick in the late at night, and I didn't have time to film it. But again, we need advice on a 2-litre HDI engine with a power steering pump. I can try and help you with that. There's been a few things I've done, and I mean there's a lot of other jobs off camera that I've done, like wet belts on Peugeots with 1.2 something engines. Loads of other timing, loads of other servicing, loads of other repairs. If you want to see, have a look for Wolf Kiff Automotive on Facebook, because you'll see the cars we've worked on and the jobs I've done on them. Got any questions on any of them, then find me a message through Wolf Kiff Automotive, because that is the current new business. You'll know it because it's got the same logo as the channel.
Yeah, nice and easy.
But that's the business. So I mean, if you've got any questions, that was something else I wanted to say, is I've been doing lots of work. But like I said, if you want to see the work I do, if you need your car looking at in the South Wales area, give us a shout. It's a shameless plug on my part. But it's been turbulent. Like I say, I've had family stuff as well, and it's been cool, but it's been turbulent. So like I say, the YouTube channel has been hard to do alongside everything else, really.
Just lucky you had so much stuff already ready to go, wasn't there?
Yeah, that's it. I mean, there has been a month where we've only released 1 video or 0 videos recently, so that's why I've decided to get back on it again. Especially considering the subscribers are still going up, and I thank you all for that. Anyone that's joined the channel, welcome, and thank you very much. So I mean, and like I say, I feel bad. I almost feel bad to you guys as subscribers for not putting nothing out for a while. So like I say, I will be putting my finger out and getting more on it, and I will be filming more. And like I said, we had 3 videos today, really technical ones. So and that was on a Mondeo. I did one the other day, which will be out this, well, it should come out this month, which is a Peugeot partner. So I mean, and then there is more. I think there may be a BMW video left there somewhere or something like that. I'll give you more how-to ones.
But you had the partner automated video the other day, didn't you?
Yeah, that's right. I'd say that's the one which, that's the one I talk about, the alternator on the partner. I suppose, if you've got anything you'd like to see on the channel, anything you'd like to see more of, by all means give us a shout, let us know. I mean, if you've got a car you'd like to appear on our channel for the Wolf Kiff Walkarounds, that's still a thing. We're still happy to do that. We haven't done one for a while, but we're happy to. If you've got any technical info you'd like on a specific model of car, I'll see what I can do. If you would like to see more car talks, or you've got some good ideas for what we might think about certain subject or topic, give us a shout. Hell, if you want to come on and join us for one of them and be a guest, then let us know. Because we're open to all sorts of ideas that make us better and help us move forwards and everything like that. So yeah, so let us know. And yeah, I hope I haven't bored you with all of this. But we shall be back on here very soon discussing things in our car talks and everything. Hope you can join us. Thanks guys, see you in the next one.
Cheers.